Good day everyone. Today I will go over the chapter on fixed volume range, why it is useful and how to trade it. Also on my profile you can find some additionally free tools you can use alongside with fixed volume range for better understanding. So please check out this playlist and let's go to the video. Okay, this tool you can find on the left, fixed range volume profile, and first you need to find specific time period you want to analyze. It's visual representation of trade volume at specific price levels with select range. So we will select this range. One is for range, one is for trading. This is trending, this is ranging. It allows traders to analyze volume distribution over specific time range or price movement. Now we can go over components for fixed volume range. The most important thing is point of control. This is price level with highest trade volume. In this range you can see this is the highest trading volume for this price. In this case there is point of control. You can see it's often like it's strong magnet for price, either is support or resistance. In this case this was support 2 times. In this case that was rejection. Second important thing for fixed volume range is value area. First value area over there. This is value area high, and below point of control is value area low. The range of prices where significant percentage of volume, commonly 70% occurred, so you can see only 70% occurred of volume and point of control have the highest volume. So how we can trade fixed volume range? First you can use point of control, such reversal or consolidation. You can see there is test of point of control. You can use value area, high for resistance, low for support. You can use together with Fibonacci to overlapping with value area low or Fibonacci. You can use fair value gaps. You can see over there you have value area high, 2-time resistance. There was also fair value gap, and you know when price come again in range and lose support of value area low, you can know it's reversal. Even if it's downtrend, it's same in uptrend.